Is America losing its freedom of religion or finally remembering what it really means? Before you decide, watch what happened when one quiet prayer on a football field changed the national debate. From the beginning, the United States grounded its understanding of human rights in a simple truth: our rights come from God, not government. That belief shaped the First Amendment, the limits on government power, and the idea that faith in public life helps build moral, trustworthy citizens. But over time, the meaning of church and state shifted, creating confusion about what religious liberty actually protects. This tension sets the stage for one of the most important public prayer cases in modern history. The founders believed people are imperfect, so no one should hold too much power. That's why they built checks and balances and protected the right to live out your faith openly. For generations, prayer in public spaces, schools, Congress, and community events was normal, not controversial. About 150 years later, courts introduced the phrase wall of separation between church and state. The intention was fairness, not hostility, but the legal system developed a split personality. Public school prayer was banned, while prayer in Congress was allowed as tradition. Same Constitution, same First Amendment, two different outcomes. How can the same rule produce opposite results? That question became real when Coach Joe Kennedy, a high school football coach in Washington state, quietly knelt at the 50-yard line after games to say a silent prayer of thanks. He didn't preach, he didn't pressure anyone, but some students chose to join him. The school district ordered him to stop, arguing that because he worked for the government, his private prayer looked like official endorsement. When he refused to give up his personal First Amendment rights, he was placed on leave and not rehired. That's when everything changed. The Supreme Court ruled that Coach Kennedy did not lose his rights when he put on a whistle. As long as no one is forced, faith is not forbidden. The decision didn't create a new right. It restored an old one. It reminded the country that freedom of religion protects expression, not silence. And this principle matters far beyond one football field. Here's the bottom line. Freedom of religion doesn't mean freedom from ever seeing faith. It means the freedom to live by your conscience without fear or coercion. Recent court decisions are restoring balance, protecting belief while preventing pressure. That's not radical. That's America returning to its principles. The goal was never silence. The goal was freedom. What do you think the Coach Kennedy case means for the future of faith in public life?